Welcome back. In our last video, we discussed Phase 2 of the Milestone inspection. In this video, we'll be discussing the penalties and extensions of Florida Law SB 4D. It starts with, if any person, firm, or corporation, whether public or private, or any entity fails to obey or comply with or violates any of the provisions of this ordinance, such person, firm, corporation, or other entity, upon conviction of such an offense, shall be guilty of a misdemeanor and shall be punished with a fine not to exceed $500 by not to exceed 60 days in county jail or both at the discretion of the court. If a condominium association or cooperative association fails to submit proof to the building official that repairs have been scheduled or have commenced for substantial structural degradation identified in a Phase 2 inspection report within the required time frame in paragraph E, the building official must review and determine if the building is unsafe for human occupancy. Note, therefore, immediate evacuation of the building for all occupants would be necessary. Phase 2 extension. The building official may issue an extension of not more than 60 days to submit the Phase 2 milestone inspection report upon a written extension request from an engineer or an architect. Such a request must contain a signed and sealed statement from the engineer or architect that the building may continue to be occupied while undergoing the inspection. All repairs for substantial structural degradation must be commenced within 365 days of the receipt by the building official of the Phase 2 milestone inspection report. The building official may issue an extension or not more than 60 days to obtain any necessary permits upon written extension request from the engineer or the architect. Such a request must contain a signed and sealed statement from the engineer or architect that the building may be continued to be occupied while undergoing the recertification. If an association fails to submit proof to the local enforcement agency that repairs have been scheduled or have commenced for substantial structural degradation identified in Phase 2 inspection report within the required time frame, the local enforcement agency must review and determine if the building is unsafe for human occupancy. Note, you must submit the required reports before undergoing any repair. This completes our 5-part series. We hope our videos have helped you. The need for information beyond the naked eye with non-contact inspections and non-destructive testing data that can help you make informed decisions that create better, safer, faster solutions. Please stay tuned